Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about supply. What is supply in economics? Just like demand, there are two conditions to be supply. These two conditions are willingness to supply, and the second condition is ability to supply. Let us take two sentences. One, I want to supply cars like Ford. The second statement says Bill Gates has the ability to supply cars like Ford. Now if we look at the first statement here, I do have the willingness to supply, but do I have the ability? Probably not. So this is not supply in economics. Similarly, Bill Gates, one of the richest guys in the world, obviously has the ability to supply cars like Ford, but still now we don't have Microsoft cars on the road. We may have sometimes in the future, we don't know yet, but still now Bill Gates does not have the willingness to supply. Therefore, the second statement will also not be supply in economics. And these two conditions here, the first one willingness to supply and the second one ability to supply, these two conditions should be met at a time to be supply in economics. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.